Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can block someone from a Facebook page. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook, and you simply need to log in into your Facebook account. So once you log in, you simply need to select your page. So once you selected your page, you simply click on more and click on followers. So here you can see your follower list, and if you want to block someone from your Facebook page, you simply need to click on three dots, and here you can see two options. You simply need to click on block, and if you want you can ban, and if you can ban George a new profile that they may create, you can click on that and click on confirm. So this is the process by which you can block someone from a Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.